Hello everyone, Glabashit. I'm very excited to share my story with you today. My name is Eaint Sandi and I am 19 years old. Since I was young, I went to the government school till grade 8. After that, I joined IGCSE O-level by taking the business major, which is including Math B, EFL, ICT, Economics, Accounting, and Business. I have four family members and I'm the oldest daughter of the family. My hobbies are swimming and sometimes helping my parents' business. Today's presentation, I would like to separate two parts. The first part is about the introduction, and after that, I would like to explain one of the topics in details. So let's start my presentation. First of all, I would like to explain how I started interest in hospitality management. From a young age, I've been always drawn to the environment where people come together to share their experience, whether through the dining events or travel. So choosing to major in management was the decision that is resonate deeply with my personal attributes and career aspiration. As an extrovert, I believe in social environments where interactions and communications are key. The hospitality industry is mainly in people-oriented, requiring professionals to engage with the guests. We have to understand their needs and when the main reason is to create a memorable experience for them. So these kinds of activities are perfectly matched with my energetic nature, and find joining meeting new people and building relationship, which is fundamental in hospitality setting. After that, explore educational opportunity. And these days, many university and college offer degree programs or certification, especially focus on this field. So engaging in formal education can increase my knowledge and also engage my qualifications for future roles and develop the relevant skill. Focus on the developing key skills that are essential for success in hospitality management. These will be include strong communication ability, problem solving skills, and leadership qualities and a customer oriented mindset. So you might consider like taking workshops or online courses that focus on these skills to be engage your applicability. After that, let's go to the next slide. Yes, in this slide, I would like to give some of the reasons why I want to study in Eaint. First of all, one of the primary reasons that I wish to study at Asian Institute of Hospitality Management is bring Swiss educational excellence to Asia. As we all know, the Swiss model of hospitality education is renowned worldwide for its the best training, emphasizes on critical thinking, and also innovative approach. By studying at Aim, I will benefit from a curriculum that not only meet the international standard, but also prepare me for the global hospitality industry. So this kind of opportunity to get the high quality education will probably with my aspiration to become a leader in this field. And I also try to research which kinds of country will be the best and unique for this major. Of course, it's a Switzerland on top, and Thailand is the seventh best country in the world for this major. And I find all of the aim like three types of aim, like a minor hospitality, minor food, and minor lifestyle. I research all of them. And the aim places a strong emphasis on like practical experience and learning, which is everyone who is looking to excel in hospitality management. So this opportunity to engage on like hands-on experience throughout the facility, like a practical art in training and management internship will allow me to applying theoretical knowledge in a real world context. So the institute connection with the minor hotels and other global partner provide the unique internship opportunity for all of the students. So gaming like international experience while studying will not only broaden my understanding of the different culture, but also like expand my professional network within the hospitality industry. The last one is as the first time of studying abroad, I literally want the positive and supportive environment. A supportive environment encourage collaboration among students, allowing us to learn from another like experience while building the lasting relationship that can increase the career in the future. All in all, study at AIM represent not only for the academic growth, but also for the personal development within this community that is dedicated to excellence in hospitality management. So that's all for this slide. So let's go to the next slide. Yes, this is one of the main thing that is the planning technique. First of all, I research all of the in social media platform. I just find from Facebook and also from the TikTok and YouTube too. So as the participant in the early childhood education program, I work to appreciate the development aspect of the children, as well as help them to create the right things and right environments for their growth and learning. So the most important feature of this program, it is enable me to support the child social, emotional, and physical development during the year of the life. So it's enable me to develop commitments for efficient teaching at the same time, which is understanding like different culture and education system. It's helped me to develop my effective teaching at the same time, understanding different culture. And also I have been participant in my parents' business, which is the community service by working with the different kinds of group to promote their business. So I have two collaborations on business related projects and I have to speak with that. So this kind of community have helped me to appreciate how different business environments operate at the same time, which is increase my social skill. And additionally, I'm trying to contact with the current student from Eaint. I'm trying to speak with them, and they also give me the good motivations to study in there. So after that, I answer some of the text and skill required for the college. First of all, I will answer the Duolingo test coming 25, and I try to improve my skill, which is speaking skill, and like my English skill too. And organizational skills or communications are include one of my things that I learned from my parents' their business. So these all are the planning technique that I prefer for the scholarship. So this is the end of the part one, that is introduction. After that, I would like to continue to part two. Thank you. Welcome back to my part two presentation. Let's start it. Today, we are going to explore the critical topics that is increasingly relevant in our modern world. This topic is particularly relevant today because it addresses ongoing discussions about the technology role in shaping future work environments. A critical issue that is industry continued, which is increasing due to the technology advancement. So I will explain how AI technologies are reshaping job roles, engagements, and influencing customer experience. So let's go to the next slide. This slide, I will show some of the preview topics that is included in my presentation. Firstly, what is AI in the hospitality industry, the impacts of AI on today's world, comparing both side of view, and future more developing AI and the hospitality industry. So let's start my presentation. Yes, my very first question is about where is AI in the hospitality industry. First of all, I would like to ask what exactly is AI. In the rush to adopt this new term, it is easy to overlook that AI itself has a different facts. At head, AI, which is stand for artificial intelligence, is the technology that is enable machines to learn and make decisions on their own without any human intervention. AI can be categorized into different types, including machine learning, natural language processing, and robotics, all of which can have application in the hospitality industry as we will see below. So the hospitality industry is all about providing the excellent customer service, and AI has the potential to revolutionize the guest experience. From the personalized recommendation to variative dynamics pricing to table, and that can assist the guests with their needs and wants, AI has the power to engage the customer satisfaction while creating efficiency and driving revenue. So let's go to the next slide. So in this slide, I would like to explain the impacts of AI on today's world. Artificial intelligence has the more become transformative focus across the various sectors, fundamentally and how we live, how we work, and how we interact. So this effect can be observed in multiple domains, including healthcare, finance, education, transportation, and even in entertainment. So I will explain details exploring of the how AI is impacting today's world. First of all, is increased efficiency and productivity. AI technologies can engage efficiency by automating routine tasks that is traditionally require human intervention. So, for instance, in manufacturing, AI driving robots can operate continuously without any mistake. So, this can be leading to more output and also reduce the cost. So, in office environment, AI tools can automate data entry and they can schedule the tasks regularly, allowing applicants to focus on their work strategies activities. So these shift not only boost their productivity, but also enable organizations to allocate resources more effectively. After that, engage the customer experience. AI has revolutionized customer service through chatbot and a variety of assistant that is provide immediate response to questions or inquiries 24/7. This tool improves the user experience by offering personalized recommendation based on the previous interactions or pattern of the customer. So company like Maison even use AI to suggest the product of the individual customer shopping habits with cookies, which is the kind of the technology to engage with the like customer satisfaction. I would like to give one of the example, and this is the overview of the Hana Hotel. The Hana Hotel is located in Japan, which is renowned for the world being first hotel fully staffed by the robot. The hotel name translates to strange hotel. So this reflecting like both its unique concepts and revolutions of the hospitality through the automation. For example, there are cleaner robots that maintain the cleanness of the common area, like washing windows. However, certain tasks still require human intervention. For instance, making bed remind the responsibility that is assigned to human staff member. Like in Myanmar, the adoption of AI robots in retail is still in the beginning stage. Some of the shop have stepped the using of the robot. For example, one of the hobo shop in Yangon, and they use a robot to carry some of the staff and some of the snack to customer. But I guess it's a little bit slow for it. After that, I would like to explain another topics. In this slide, I would like to explain the impacts of AI on employee productivity. And as we all know, AI can handle the routine tasks, the repetitive tasks, example in like answering the common questions and managing the bookings, which is save time for the employee to focus on more complex and value-added tasks. AI reduce human error in tasks like the inventory management, reservation, and billing, which is improving accuracy and efficiency. AI can work around the clock without any break, so it can improve the operational productivity, especially in customer-facing area like the front desk or concierge service. With AI ability to analyze large amounts of data quickly, manager can make a data-driven decision faster, which is leading to more responsive service. After that, I would like to point out some of the challenge of the AI in hospitality employment. The automations of the roles might lead to the job loss for especially for low skill or routine tasks. So this may be a challenge for the workers who may not have access to reskilling opportunities. So over the relevance of AI can create concern about the job security and the ethics of the replacing human workers with the machine. So AI efficiency might compromise the personal, the human aspect that the guest value in hospitality service. Company might find the right balance between automations and the personalized service. After that, impacts on the traditional job roles, like it can be like job reduction in certain roles such as the receptionist and customer service agent. So those kinds of service and roles might become like reduced due to the automation, as the AM tool also can perform the similar tasks. While some job may disappear, other will be improved. Like for instance, like Coney Aries rules may shift from the answering basis questions to providing more personalized and high value service. I would like to give one of the example about the AI. So it's about the Ryan A, which is AI for customer support and flight management using. First of all, like for the technology usage, a Ryan employee use the AI chatbot for the customer support, helping with the flight inquiries and cancellations and booking change. Additionally, AI systems are used to optimize the flight schedule and manage the crew lodges and then engage the customer service the interaction. The impact of this is like the AI chatbot can handle a large volume of the customer call without the human intervention, which can improve the response times and also reduce the customer service workload. AI also help improve operational efficiency by predicting and adjusting the flight schedule in real time. So at the time, like employee role will be changed as the customer support agent now focus on more complex customer service issue. So while flight operation times can rely on the AM to optimize scheduling and also reduce the delay. So it will appear the new job rules, the rise of AI create and new roles in hospitality, such as AI system maintenance, data analysis, and the technical support, requiring like employee with a specialized skill. So this is all about the AI in hospitality, which is impacting on the employee productivities and all of the job rules with the example. So this is the end of this slide. So let's go to the next slides. This is how artificial intelligence might affect employment within the hospitality sector. I will explain both advantages and also disadvantages of these topics. So yes, AI is increasingly being to integrate into various sectors, including our hospitality industry. Its impacts on employment can be multiple, representing both advantages and also disadvantages for workers in this industry. So first of all, as I mentioned above, increase efficiency and productivity. But let's look deeper into how AI can help with the hotel operations, specifically with the bookings and check-ins. So with AI power tool, hotel can be automate and streamline this process, so making them more efficiency and also effective. So let's look at the chatbot. A chatbot is the computer program that uses the language capacity of the AI to understand the customer questions and also automate the response to them. So stimulated human conversation like booking and also check-ins are natural applications for chatbot to support their human like the counterparts and also dealing with the online queries. So chatbot can assist customer with their bookings and answering like questions about the available or like pricings or everything that you can answer. So they can also provide recommendation based on the customer preference such as the room type and also the location. They save hotel staff time, resources, and as the chatbot can handle a large number of activities and or like continuously without the need for the human intervention. So many businesses have already found that the blend that the chatbot and human staff is the optimum combination for the efficiency and guest comfort. So in addition to assisting with the booking, AI can also improve the check-in process with AI power facials like recognition technology. Guests can check in like without the need for the physical key or ID card. So this not only save time but also enhance the security as they eliminate of the risk of the loss of the stolen key. So guests can also use their mobile device to make the check-in and also they can get a very luxury and the best experience from this. So another way like AI can help with the hotel operation throughout the resource optimization. So by analyzing the data such as the energy consumptions and resource entrepreneur, like AI can help business optimize distractions and reduce the cost. Savings on energy and resources is like more than cost saving exercise. So environment impacts are also important for customer and reducing like your impacts in the demonstrable way of showing your concern for your wider community. And yes, Cost reduction for employer. By automating certain tasks like business may reduce the labor cost, which is associated with staffing level that is needed for the routine tasks. So this could allow the companies to allocate the resources toward the training for the employer for the higher value roles that require human and creativity. So this can cost too much for them training. So the last one is the engaged customer experience. With AI analyzing customer data and performance, business can offer like personalized service that is improve customer satisfaction. The employee equipped with a assigned from AI can better create the guest need and they can guess what the guest is need. So potentially leading to higher like chips and job satisfaction as they can engage more meaningfully of the interaction. AI is increasingly being used in the hospitality industry to improve operational of the efficiency, which is engage the customer experience and for sure it can increase the revenue for the business. But I would like to point out the disadvantages of how artificial intelligence might affect employing within the hospitality management. For sure, first of all, technological limitation. It can cost too much for when we repair for the AI or chatbots or robots. After the in-person service, while AI can engage the efficiency, it may also lead to a loss the personal touch that is which is the main thing in hospitality. Customer often like value human interaction. That's why these kinds of automatic system can be negatively impact on guest experience if not balanced with the human engagement. So this can be the negative effect for this. After the decreased personal interaction, yes, AI may streamline the operation, but one of the core strengths of the hospitality industry is the personal, which is the human touch. Like automations can make the like warmly welcome for the customer, and that's the reason. Also, customer service challenge. While AI is good at handling like the business activity, it can be struggle with some of the customer interaction, and such as when the customer requires some of the difficult that they can be handled they can be some of the risks for that. So after that is the deficiency on the technology, like some of the system failure, and the main reason is the security concern. Like AI system that is core to customer data or the management payment may be like a little bit risks for the cyber security. So this can they have to use the sure of the protections of the personal data which is against the branch become the crucial with the AM system and they have to handle it very well. So these all are about the both advantages and disadvantages. So let's go to the next slide. Yes, this is more developing AI and the hospitality industry. So the questions of whether AI will replace human worker in the hospitality industry is the complex and the multi-phase. As AI technology continue to advance, it is integration into various sectors. So it including the hospitality risk concern about to job displacement. However, there have some of the like rival that is why AI may automate the certain tasks and rule but is unlikely to complete all of the tasks. So it is completely replace the human workers in the near future. So firstly is the automations of the committed tasks. So AI excels is automating the repetitive and well-defined the tasks in the hospitality sector. These include the functions such as the check-in process, room service, and basic customer like their inquiries through the chatbot. So for instance, self-service note the like mobile application can be streamlined check-in process at a hotel. So it can be some of the risks for this one. After that, humans like rather than the replacement, while AI can handle the specific task efficiency, but many roles within the hospitality industry still require for the human like employer. So the human touch remains essential to create like memorable experience for the guests. Therefore, like rather than Rather than the outright of the replacement, AI is more likely to augment existing rules by taking over the tasks and allow human workers to engage in the higher value of the activity. So it can have some of the challenge and consideration for the view, uh, like a job transition. As AI continue to automate its role in the hospitality industry, there will be a need for the like politics and programs that need help from the workers that transition into the new higher value of the position. So we have to ensure that the AI engage human worker rather than completely replacing it. And also we have to make the balance automations with a human touch. This all about the slide. Let's go to the next slide. So this is all about my point of view. So let's get it. And in my point of view, I strongly believe that all of the tasks can be handled with the AI, so it can be replace employer with the AI completely in the future. First of all, I believe that with the building relationship and guest reliability. So the hospitality industry is just about the transition, is all about the relationship. So AI can help with the reception and like handle the check-in area and offer basic customer support. But it can build a lasting relationship with the guest. So guests return to the hotel or resort and restaurant because of their relationship they got from the staff. Whether it's a regular guest who feel recognized and valued by a like guest check is a server who remember a guest like their performance and their personal touch are what make us feel like they are more than just a number. So AI can essence their best. It can replace the deep sense of the connection like that is come from the human interaction. After that, AI cannot replace emotional intelligence. One of the most significant quality that is that the human apart from the machine is like emotional intelligence. So while AI can certainly handle data analysis and simple customer queries, so it lacks the ability to truly customize and respond to the emotions of the guest, whether it's depending on the travelers or like the need of the guest, who is celebrating a special occasion. Like this type of interaction require like the level of emotional understanding. So for this reason, like AI can simply by like can't make those kinds of etiquette for them. So the personal connection is what that create loyalty and trust. After that, they can handle all of the situation. While AI can like handle in the control environment where things that follow when we make some of the program in there, so they can only handle for them. But the hospitality industry can be sometimes like unpredictable, like situation. So at the time they can be handled very well, and it can be the but negatively affect on the hotel name or the image. So this is the end of this slide. Let's go to the next slide. Yes, this is the end of my presentation. So my passion for the hospitality management was my love of creating memorable experience for people. So my goal is one day to manage the high-end resorts or hotels and to bring the best hotels to my country, like Myanmar. So I'm truly appreciate your time and considering for today. And I hope you will allow me to take this opportunity to pursue this dream. Thank you so much.